Okay, so today is July 1st. It is 8:52 in the morning. Wanna know why I'm up so early? Because Warped Tour. Today it's coming to Las Cruces. It starts at 11. I'm hoping that my dad gets back soon so I can go around 9-ish. So I don't want to wait till 11. But yeah, so Warped Tour is today. I'm so glad I'm going. Hold on. My hair's like extremely curly today. Now into Warped Tour. Don't worry about that part. Stay to stick with me forever. And then I got my braces done, so I don't know if you can see them, but they're blue and hot pink. Not sure if you can see that. Can't see them. Yep. Got a little bit of blonde in my hair. I don't know if you can tell. But yeah. So it's just a little bit. Warped Tour. And I'm so glad I'm going. And the people who are going with me are my friends Will, Joseph, Shannon, Kelsey, Daniel, Virginia, Zach. So it's a good group of people who are all just going. And I'm happy. And I can't wait. So yeah. My dad's back. PTYL!